Very personal.
Hindi mo pwedeng ipasa sa iba yan.
No, hindi po ito pagpasa.
Ah,
Iniimbestiga
kaya
po ng Blue Ribbon yung war on drugs at yung naging bunga na extrajudicial killings dyan. And I am basing my question dun sa mga sinabi ninyo repeatedly, parang tuwing Oktubre nga sinasabi nyo, na you will take responsibility.
Correct.
So now let me ask you about Carl Anthony Nunez, 20 years old, walang nahanap na droga o baril sa katawan niya. Sabi nga ng investigador, mistaken identity. Do you take responsibility for his death?
You know, ma'am, can I ask for a recess of
It's all right, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Hearing suspended.
Can the chair talk to the senator?
Can the resource person not point his finger at a member of the committee?
Mr. President,
tayo.
wala ka na ba sa mood to answer questions? We cannot excuse you. Kasi, sabi mo kasi, sir, you came here to answer questions. So, I mean,
And Mr. Chair, the chair is fully capable of talking to a member of his subcommittee without being
Alam mo,
pointed by the
pumapasok siya
resource
ng mga
person.
gano'n na wala sa bata.
No, Mr. Chair. I am basing it both on the policy question and yung mga sinabi mismo ng former president.
Suspended.
Naihi ako doon sa nervous dito.